Okay, if you look at 52, this may be the easiest problem in a whole packet. All you have to do is substitute. Area of the triangle, I took the liberty of going to the front and just copying, cut and pasting, and I'm substituting. This is going to be 1/2 times 4 times 10 times the sine of 30 degrees. Substitute. Remember, terminating decimals, you're allowed to enter them as such. Oops. Be careful, mine has this delay or... There you go. 10. So that area is 10 square feet. And I think this is feet. If it's not feet, we write units. Next problem. Okay, a lot of stuff going on here. First thing you want to do is draw your triangle. So this is A, B, C, A, B, opposite C. Alright, we have side, angle, side, side, angle, side. You have to use law of cosines. Law of... Okay, what we're going to do, modification of it, we're going to analyze what we have here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to backtrack and modify it. Okay, so the way it works, let's find, it says determine the length of the third side. The third side is going to be A from our drawing perspective. And to do that, we're going to rewrite this equation in terms of A. So A squared, look and see what they gave us. It's the other two unused, which is B squared plus C squared minus the two that are given here, which is 2BC, and this is going to be cosine of A. Let's go ahead and substitute. Let's use a different color to see. B is 250 plus C is 160 squared minus 2 times 250 times 160 cosine of 62. Look at that. This is all going to be equal to A squared. We don't want A squared, we want A. So that's required to apply its inverse, which is the square root. Remember, we just have to put this in our calculator. There's no variables on that side. That's the easy problem. Let's get this calculator up. Clear. Second square is square root. Notice that the calculator opens parentheses. We need to close it for our entire radicand. That's just the technical term that we call everything underneath the radical. Every value. So I'm just going to, put parentheses, but I don't think you necessarily have to have it. So for the second one, minus 2 times 250 times 160 cosine. Remember, that's the coefficient. 160 is the coefficient, so it's going to multiply automatically. Close the door for 62, the degree. Close the door for the radicand. Bam. Yes, this angle is equal to, or excuse me, this side is 224, and I think they're rounding to 3 decimal places. And this is feet. Okay, and we have done the first problem. Second problem is area again. Well, we just substitute to find that area. Area is equal to 1/2. Let's do that here. I put the formula here. Again, took the liberty. Please do the same. Write down a formula. So be careful. Whenever we're using this for side, angle, side, they're going to give you two sides. It's whatever side is there. So they're giving us the two sides are 160 250, and cosine of that one given angle, which would be the sine of 62, equals. Let's put that in a calculator. So this is going to equal 17,658.952, and this is square feet. Box this in, clear the distractions. All right, so now we are asked, oh boy, this looks kind of complicated. Let's look. An acre is 43,000 square feet. The first idea that they're giving us is an acre. I'm just writing that down. If the land is valued at 50, this is money. Okay? They're saying acre, money. What is the value of the lot? Okay. We have a proportion here. Proportion is the most commonly utilized equation in higher mathematics. We are looking at acreage over money. So 1 acre for this lot is 536 square feet. We want to take this, and the money value is $56,000 per. So that is going to be what we follow for the land mass that we have. Our land mass, or acreage, is find the area of the lot. This is your land mass, square feet. Over, we need to know the cost. That is our x. Okay, we're going to cross multiply to solve. So this is equal, and here we go. This is going to be your constant is your coefficient, equal the product of this let the calculator do the multiplication. Divide by both sides. And x is going to be equal to this. A number or expression divided by itself is 1. So let's go ahead and put this in our calculator so we can see it. And it is, put parentheses because we're going to multiply. I'm going to take my time with this calculator. Close parentheses, divided by, checking, and x is equal to our money, yes, which is 22,050. And remember, money, even if they tell you around 3 places, money is by definition hundredths, so that's 2 decimal places. I don't know why I put degrees here. And that's how we do it. Proportion. Look at what they're, that's the biggest focus. Acre over land.